10234. This is a grand suite with 2 bedrooms. As you come in here, here's a closet, a little walk-in closet. Nice. This is going to be access to the bathroom for the bedroom number 2. Got a stand-up shower here in the corner. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". A little tight for someone fluffy, but not bad. You have some shelves, power, nice mirror, decent size sink, not too big, not too small, and some storage. Again, I said it was 2 bedroom. First bedroom is right over here. It's either going to be 2 twins or a king, but this is what it looks like if it's 2 twins. Across from here, there's a little bit of power and a TV and a small closet for storing stuff in here. Let's get into the living room. Nice big living room, huge sofa, couple of chairs, coffee table, a very, very nice space in here. Across from this, you have your credenza, you've got coffee machine, you've got a teapot, some storage. There's a mini fridge down there. This does have a separate master. This is what the master looks like in its king configuration. You can separate these if you want. There is power on that side of the bed, US only. Closets here, closets there, as well as the TV across from the bed and more closets there. Moving down to this end, there's a little dressing table here, or a makeup mirror, whatever you want to call it, a dressing table. Hair and makeup, and that does light up. You have 2 US, 1 European, and 2 USB. And then you have your own bathroom here in the suite. Of course, I turned off the wrong lights. So single vessel sink, nice. You do have a shub tower combo, toilet, and a great place for someone my height at 6'4". So there you go. There is your 2 bedroom grand suite. Some people, oh yeah, we got to do the balcony. Thank you, Lisa. Almost forgot the balcony. Some people will call this a family suite, like one of the cabin attendants we just ran into called this the family suite. So there you go, table of 4 chairs. And you have a couple lounges down here with another little table. Again, great views forward. Or that was backwards. There's forward. Gotta remember what side of the ship I'm on. Either way, it's just great views. Look at all of that. Here in Tokyo, Yokohama. All right, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.